Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. That means that today we're doing puzzle number 300. Getting close to the end of this book. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 7, no help here, 5, 6, 7. And a 7 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 4, 6, 4, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, no help here, 4, 5, 6, 5 here and 6 here, means this is our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4, 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, this 5 makes this our 7, and we can get rid of this 7. And so for this column now, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 6. And since the 7 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 covering here and a 5 covering here, so our 5 has to be here. I don't see any other help, so 2, 6, 2, 6. But that 5 makes this our 6, 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. And for this row, we're missing 1 and 8, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. No help here. 1, 5, 8, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 8. 5 here, so 1, 8, 9. But if we look at this row now, the only place the 5 can be is here. And then the only place the 9 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. Got a 6 here, so 4, 8, 9. 9 here, so 4, 6, 8. 4 and 9 here, so 6, 8. Now if we look, the only place the 9 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, the only place the 4 can be is here, and that makes this our 2. 6, 4, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. That 6 makes this our 2, 1, 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 2. That 6 makes this our 4 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.